In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Apple Notes with reminders. First, open the Notes app on your iPhone or iPad. You will see a familiar interface showcasing your existing notes. If you're starting fresh, simply tap on the New Note icon to create a new note. This is where you can jot down your thoughts, ideas, or any information you want to keep track of. Take a moment to think about what you want to note down. Being organized in your notes is crucial as it sets the foundation for effective reminders later on. Once you have your note ready, look for the Share button, which is typically represented by a square with an upward arrow. It's located at the top right corner of the screen. Tapping this button will bring up the Share sheet, which displays various options for sharing or using the note in other applications. This step is essential because it allows you to integrate your notes with other tools, enhancing productivity. From the Share sheet, you will see several options. Scroll through the list until you find Reminders. Tap on it to proceed. This action connects your note directly to the Reminders app, making it easier to set a reminder based on the content of your note. It streamlines your workflow, ensuring that important tasks do not slip through the cracks. Next, you will be prompted to choose or create a reminders list. If you already have lists set up, select the one that fits best for your current task. If not, you can create a new list by tapping on New List at the bottom of the screen. Organizing your reminders into lists helps you stay focused and allows for better management of related tasks. This small organizational step can make a significant difference in your productivity. After choosing or creating your reminders list, you will see fields where you can add a title, due date, and other reminder details if desired. Filling in these fields adds context to your reminder. This is important because it helps you remember the specifics of the task later on. Make sure the title is clear and concise so you can easily understand it at a glance. Once you've entered all the necessary information, tap Add to create the reminder with a link back to your note. This finalizes the process, linking your reminder directly to the content you created in the Notes app. You will see a confirmation appear, ensuring that your reminder has been successfully set up. This link allows you to return to your note with just a tap, making it easier to reference information. As a quick tip, you can also copy a note's contents and paste them into a Reminders Notes field for additional context. This adds another layer of detail to your reminders. By including relevant information, you can ensure that you have everything you need at your fingertips. Remember, the more context you provide, the easier it will be to execute the task when the reminder pops up. With these steps, you can effectively use Apple Notes with reminders. This integration helps you keep track of important tasks while utilizing the information stored in your notes. By following these instructions, you are setting yourself up for success in managing your tasks. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.